In this video, we are going to construct a triangle and we are given the base angles and the altitude. Okay, so the base angle is 60 and 45. Then the altitude, let's make it altitude. Let's make it 60 millimeters. Okay, so the altitude is 60 millimeters. So you are given the base angles and the altitude or the height. How is the procedure going? Draw line AB of n length. So we are told we draw a line AB which is equal to n length. Then from there construct CD parallel to AB. So this is AB. We have to construct CD which is parallel to AB. Okay, so that the distance between them is equal to the altitude. So the distance between AB and CD should be the altitude, which is 60 millimeters. So we know how to construct a parallel line. We make those arcs and join. So the distance between them should be equal to the altitude. Then we pick any point on this line and construct the angles so that the lines of the angles should cut there. All right, that's how we do it. So we are going to construct on one side. It's up to you to choose. You can choose 60 this side, you can choose 45. So if I construct a 65 there, it's going to come over there. If I construct a 45, it's going to be like that. So this is definitely the triangle we are looking for, and we can name these points to be E and the F. Let's get there. Okay, so I have already constructed a line here which I'm going to name as the A and the B. Okay, those are the lines. Then we have to construct a parallel line that is 60 millimeters away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick my T-square and measure 60 millimeters. 60 millimeters is here. 60 millimeters is there. So how do we construct? You get your compass, stand at 10 point. Wow, this is quite high. Okay, at another point, I like doing 3 because for me, that gives me an assurance of the correct thing that I'm doing. You can do 2, you can do more than 3. It's up to you. So we connect the top part of these lines. Okay, there we go. So that is the line CD, and we are very sure that it's 60 millimeters away from that. Then we pick any point here, E, A, B, C, D, yeah, the point is E, and make the base angles 60 and 45. So, you see, if you are not fine with creating these angles, you can turn the drawing board upside down, or you can make this parallel line down here. All right, or if you want, you can start from here. You start E from here, therefore your triangle will be upside down. It is still all the way up to you. Okay, I would want to start from the bottom just for the sake of others. Let's put our E here instead of on top. We put our E here so that our triangle will be upside down. So if I pick this to be my point E, I'm going to choose that this side, should be 60 and this side should be 45. It's up to me. I can choose this to be 60, this to be 45. Let me choose this to be 60. Okay, so I'm going to construct a 60. You guys will know how we construct a 60. You stand here, you open your compass to any radius, open, and do the same. So that is my 60. Okay, so I can connect this one to join the intersection somewhere there. Okay, and I can name this as A, B, C, D, E. I can name this as F. Okay, then this side I'm going to construct a 45. Now you guys already know how to construct 45. What we do is we construct a 90, then we bisect it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to construct a 90. First of all, there we go, that is a 60, that is 120, that is 90. Then I'm going to join this and the bottom part. Okay, there I go. Then I have to bisect. Now you guys already know how to bisect an angle. We get that overall length there. Okay, I've gotten it correct. Then I stand at one point here, make an arc there. I stand at another point here, make an arc there. So that is my 45. So I'm going to connect the two. 45 passes through here, and that one passes through there. So that is my 45. Okay, and I can say this is my G. So the triangle that I'm looking for is that one, and I can quickly outline it. Okay, so pick my outlining pencil, which is a black pen in my case. Have that one. I have this one. Then I have that one. So that's how we construct such a triangle.